Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to download and install NetBeans IDE for programming on Java and in other languages. Let's start. The first thing you need to do is open browser and search NetBeans IDE. Click on the first link and open netbeans.apache.org link in the description. On the main page click download and select your OS. Windows, Linux or macOS. Also you can download zip archive. Click on the first link and start download. Waiting for the program download. Run program. Download window launched. You can click customize, select what you want to download. OK, next. Click I accept items in the license agreement. You can choose where to install NetBeans. I won't change anything. Next. Install and waiting installing. close this window and open NetBeans. The program has successfully started. Well, this is the end of the video. If you want to receive notifications, subscribe to the channel. And if I helped you, like this video. Maybe if anything was unclear, welcome to the comments. Adios.